Hi guys, thank you for joining us again. So today's video will be on how to set up live aquatic plants in a tub. Firstly, we need some plastic containers cut into half. Then we need some garden soil and some river sand. To start the setup, first we will need to remove the whole plant from the rock wool. Please make sure you take out the plant very gently. Then, by digging a small hole with the help of finger, we are inserting the roots into the pot we made. We then press the sand gently with our palm. Follow the same steps for the other pots as well. So we have completed planting these plants. Now it's time to add some gravels on top of the sand so as to look it more attractive, and also it keeps the water clean. Now we need this kind of plastic tub where we can grow these aquatic plants. This kind of pots are easily available in the local shops at an affordable rate. We bought ours at just ₹100. Next, we are placing the pots into our tub. We are adding some more gravels on top of the soil. We have also added a thin layer of gravels on the tub. Finally, it's time to add the water to our tub. Here we are using water from our well. We are adding the water very gently just to make sure that the pots and the gravels stay in place. Now we are introducing some floating ferns into our tub. This is Salvinia minima. This can easily be grown in aquariums and water tubs with minimal water surface disturbance. Guys, you can also add fishes like guppies or mollies which don't require water filter or air pump. They can live easily in freshwater tub. So we are planning to add some mollies and tetras. Tetras are also one of the same kind which don't require filter or air pump. That we will show you on our upcoming video. We hope our today's video was useful to you. For more informative and interesting videos on aquatics and garden, please do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.